Hi guys, are you looking for the best 4K camera drone? Then, you are in the right place. In this video, we're going to review top 5 best 4K camera drone in 2020 on AliExpress. All these drones have been selected based on personal opinion, value, rating, reviews, and orders. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Listed number 5, CEVENNESFE KY101D 2020 new 4K camera drone. 3.7 volt 1800 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery parameters. AAA 3 to 6 volt alkaline battery remote control. USB cable charging. About 80 minutes charging time. About 18 minutes flight time. 100 meters remote control distance. 100 meters flying height. Black, red, white product color. 4-channel, 6-axis gyroscope. Wide-angle Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Photo, video, gravity sensing, video plus music, etc. 1 button take off, 1 button down, 1 button emergency stop. 360-degree 3D flipping in front, back, left and right directions. Headless mode, 1 button return. Battery protection function. Light control switch. It has 4.6 out of 5 star rating and 11 customer reviews. Listed number 4, CEVENNESFE S167 2020 new drone. With a foldable arm, it is small and easy to carry. Has a high hold mode function to provide stable flight. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect to APK system to take photos, video, and transfer images in real time through the mobile phone camera. With track flight mode, you can choose the route you need. There are 3 cameras to choose from. Equipped with a 720-pixel 1080-pixel 4K wide-angle camera for a wide range of high-definition pictures and videos. No head mode, no need to adjust the aircraft position before the flight. With a 1-button return function, you can easily find your way home. 4 channels that can be raised, lowered, forwarded, retreated, left-handed, right-handed and 360 degrees rolled. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easy control. The 4-rotor body is made of high-strength and engineering-resistant plastic, lightweight and durable. It has 4.8 out of 5 star rating and 894 customer review. Listed number 3, XINGYUCHUANQI F3 GPS 4K camera drone. With foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide a more accurate flight. With 5G 2.4G Wi-Fi function, can be connected to the APK system to take pictures, videos, transfer images in real time through the mobile phone camera. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 300 meters. With altitude hold mode function, it can provide a stable flight. The orbital motion will make the plane fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode just draws a route on the screen and use the helicopter as a given path. Using 7.4 volt 2000 mAh battery, flight time is up to 25 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust the aircraft position before the flight. 1-click back function, you can easily find your way home. 1-button takeoff or landing automatically, the drone will take off or return to the takeoff position. With low power protection over current protection. 4 channels, you can fly up, down, forward, backward, left, right. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easier control. It has 3 flight speed switch levels to make flying more fun. It has 4.8 out of 5 star rating and 317 customer reviews. Listed number 2, SHAREFUNBAY S167 4K camera drone. 1300 mAh battery can be played for a long time, enjoy it. 120-degree adjustable steering unit, 1080-pixel high-definition wide-angle camera for excellent adjustment. Capture stunning images and videos in the sky. Use the altitude hold mode feature to provide stable flight. Have gesture photos and recordings to make your photography more convenient and beautiful. Track the flight, you can draw the required flight path on the phone, and the quad-copter will fly the line you draw. With the Wi-Fi function, you can connect to the app in real time via your phone camera to take photos, record and transfer images. 1-click easy to find the way home. Anti-jamming using 5G HZ technology. 4 channels that can be raised, lowered, forward, backward, left hand, right hand and 360 degrees rotated. The 6-axis gyroscope is more stable and easier to control. The 4-axle aircraft body is made of high-strength, wear-resistant engineering plastic, which is light and durable. It has 4.8 out of 5 star rating and 184 customer reviews. Listed number 1 SHAREFUNBay HD 4K Wi-Fi quad-copter drone. It has flight time 25 minutes. 3.7 volt 2200 mAh battery capacity. 150 minutes of charging time. 2.4 GHz remote control signal. 150 meters of remote control distance. 4 LED lights indicator. 4096 x 2160 maximum image resolution. 1920 x 1080 maximum video resolution. Not supported memory card. It has 4.7 out of 5 star rating and 402 customer reviews. If you want to buy best 4K camera drone in 2020 on AliExpress, link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.